Hello students, today we will study DREF 3000 spinning system. Till now we have studied all versions of DREF spinning machines. You know very well that DREF spinning system can be classified as DREF 1 spinning system, DREF 2 spinning system, DREF 3 spinning system, DREF 5 spinning system, DREF 2000 spinning system, and today we will study DREF 3000 spinning system. DREF 1 was not very much popular and it utilizes the only one spinning drum, one perforated drum. DREF 2 uses two perforated drums, pair of perforated drums rotating in same direction, and DREF 3 spinning system utilizes two perforated drums, as well as there is a provision for feeding the core separately. It can produce core spun yarns. DREF 5 spinning system feeds the material at a particular angle and into the perforated drums. DREF 2000 is similar to DREF 2 spinning system, and today we will study DREF 3000 spinning system, which is similar to DREF 3 with some changes. So I have taken this topic from Alternate Spinning Systems, a book written by Dr. H. Tolder. You must know that DREF 3000 produces bundled yarn according to the friction spinning principle. It is actually an DREF 2000 process extended to accommodate drafting arrangement before spinning drum for the core. So you can have a core in this spinning system. So drop frame sliver is passed through 3/3 double apron drafting system, and after applying a draft, it should be draft of 100 to 150, material proceeds to the region between perforated drums. Pair of takeoff roller draws this strand. The fiber strand is nipped between drafting roller and the takeoff roller. So this takeoff roller is further connected to the binding of the final material and cross-wound package is produced. So now, the fiber strand which is nipped between drafting roller and takeoff roller, this material is rotated between these 2 points and hence falls twisted between these 2 nips. So it is gripped between 2 nips, and at the same time it is falls twisted due to friction between the perforated drum and the yarn. It means twist is present between the drafting roller and drum, but not between drum and the withdrawal roller, according to the principle of false twisting. This may cause breakage also. So before this breakage can happen, staple fibers are fed from above in free flight into the convergent region between these 2 drums. So we are having a separate arrangement for core as well as the sheath fibers. So now we are talking about the sheath fibers, surface fibers. So surface fibers are coming after the opening roller. So due to rotation of the perforated drum, these fibers wrap around horizontal moving strand, that is filament or yarn, which is coming. Hence bundled yarn is formed. So in this way, bundled yarn is formed, and the specifications of this machine is that how many spinning positions are possible. Company is giving, it is giving 3 to 24. Delivery speed is 250 meters per minute, and you can process raw material cotton or synthetic fiber can be processed. Count up to 14 English cotton count you can make from this draft 3000 spinning machine. So feedstock is draw frame sliver. And what kind of yarn is produced? It is a bundled yarn. What are the yarn characteristics? So as you know, it is a core and surface. Core spun yarn, the core is different, surface is different. So if surface fibers may also be called as envelope fibers. So if there are few envelope fibers, it will give you ring spun yarn character. If there are many envelope fibers, it will give us a rotor spun yarn character. As you know, in this kind of spinning system, the surface fibers or the envelope fibers can range from 15 to 60%. So where it is used, where this kind of yarn is used, it is used in home textiles, sportswear, leisure clothing, outerwear, and technical products. Means products which are uh, necessary for in the technical textile field. Advantage: elimination of the processes. So here you can feed the raw frame sliver and yarn is formed, and you are getting the yarn in cross-wound package. This is advantage. Shortcut process is there, and biggest feature of this spinning system is you can process fibers which are not possible to process anywhere else in other spinning systems. For example, carbon fiber, aramid fiber. So these five kind of fibers can also be used in this spinning system. So in this case, you know, there are one is forming the core, another is forming the surface or envelope fibers. So fiber cloud is coming from above, emerging from drafting arrangement with two opening rollers. So here 4 to 6 slivers are fed. So in this case, there are two opening rollers are used. So this will cause and contribute surface fibers. So almost all kinds of fibers can be spun in this process. The fibers which can cause problem in other spinning systems may be processed here. For example, carbon and aramid fibers. So these kind of fibers can be used. Polyester and polyamide fibers are commonly used in the core and cotton on the envelope. So generally, we are using this, but we can use any kind of fiber in this spinning system, and we can make unique yarns as per our requirement, different combinations, rare combinations we can process on this spinning machine. Then envelope fibers are used in the range of 50 to 60%. So we can vary the hank of the sliver accordingly. So what are the special features of Draft 3000 machine? Even filaments can be used in the core to produce core spun yarn. So either we can feed sliver or we can feed filament also in the core. The yarns can be made from unusual fibers like glass, carbon, aramid. So it is very difficult to process these fibers on other spinning systems. It is difficult, although not impossible, it is very difficult. But here it is easy to use them. So composite yarns with special core sheath structure can be produced on this spinning system. Yarns with special properties, for example, protective textiles which are used in fire brigade or military purpose, their requirements are different. So we can use this spinning system for producing these kind of technical textiles. So we can conclude that DREF 3000 is not spinning process for mass production for general purpose, but interesting and successful system for niche market where special and tailor-made yarns are required. So for special yarns, you can use this spinning system. So with this, we finish the DREF spinning systems. So we have studied all DREF spinning systems. So I finish this lecture here. Thank you.